welcome back to my channel. Erwin Yusuf here, and J-Man Good Boy. Alright, was just trying. No, you'll never know. Alright. Hey, what's up? What's good? Good morning! And today we're gonna talk about food! To my non-Cebuano friends and people that are from Luzon and Mindanao, and if you're in Cebu, you want to check out the local cuisine, the best in town. I highly recommend you guys to join me today as I venture in buying one of the best local food in Cebu. And of course, to my friends in the United States, in the UK, in Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And I want you guys still to be connected with especially the food that you guys really love and really missed and you wanted to eat. Come on, let's chow! So right now guys, I'm at Highblood station. Yes, you heard me right. It's the Highblood station, and it's one of the best restaurant, carinderia-ish setting here in Cebu. Their specialty, ginabot is chicharong bulaklak, Cebuano version, which is prepared very intensely. That's why the flavor is very good. And let's review the food later. Guys, as I promised earlier, the best ginabot in Cebu from Highblood Station. Okay. I also got their Highblood Station pork chop, and of course my all-time favorite, humba. Okay, so basically guys, humba is like patatim of the Chinese and adobong Tagalog of like all Filipino. My personal favorite, right? So this one is ginabot, pork, small intestines fried, clean, fried, and smothered with spices before it gets fried, and it's really tasty. And I'll of course taste and review it today, as you guys can see. The Luzon folks are actually calling this chicharong bulaklak. This is your chicharong bulaklak-ish, you know. This is fried pork chop. Everyone's got their own version of fried pork chop in the Philippines. So, plain and simple, good old fried pork chop. And of course, humba. Humba is a version of the Cebuano of adobo. So, yeah, it still follows the same basic routine of the adobo and ingredients. The vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, onions, bay leaf, and peppercorns. Same, except for sugar. They will add a bit, if not, a good amount of sugar in this dish. But it's distinctively Cebuano, so every Bisaya, every Cebuano would know this about humba. Alright. I also have here guys a side dish of crab Alegue, as you can see. There you go. Crab roe, sauteed with onions, garlic, and other spices. Plus, I love spicy food, so I added powdered chilies on it. A shout out to my friend Paula Charisse Geonzon, Papot, who introduced me to this food from, I think this is from Mindanao because that's where she's from. It's very delicious, I tell you. So if you want to order, I will also post her phone number and contact details in the description below. If you are going to eat ginabot, you have to have this. There's like no excuse. So I'll take it closer. Two kinds, right? But they're both vinegar base or vinegar. Yeah. The other one is sugarcane. The other one is made of vinegar. No. This one is sugarcane, and this one is made of coconut vinegar. And I put lots of chilies in it. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's try our ginabot from Highblood Station. It's a very Cebuanos would eat with our fingers, so let's do this. I hope you could still hear the crunch, the crunchy goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Very, very tasty. Next we have our pork chop. 1 out of 10, I'll give this 12. Perfect 10. 3 claps for perfect 10. Our pork chop. I like their pork chop because it's still a little bit chewy in the inside, crispy skin, the fat, the fat lean mixture is still there, preserved with the meat flavor. It was not overly done, and amazingly the skin is still very crispy, and the coating, the batter that was used to in frying the fried pork chop, it wasn't really done with lots of ingredients. I know this is just really pure third, first, or any kind of flour, and then they just throw it in the oil. All right, I'll give this 1 to 10. I'll give this a 7. All right, 1 clap for 7 for fried pork chop. Now let's go to and taste our humba. Guys, if you are an expert of humba, and of course Cebuanos and the Bisaya would know this, humba would be really great if it's either the liempo part, which has like the skin, fat, and lean combination, like equally distributed, or at home, my mom would like always to cook humba with pata or sometimes pig's knuckles. Those are like the best humba. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's taste it. I'm gonna show it to you really close. There you go. Humba. Alright. It's a circus of flavor in my mouth right now. I could taste vinegar, I could taste bay leaf, I could taste peppercorns, but I'm missing the salty kick of soy sauce. The meat is tender, by the way, very tender, right to its perfection. However, the sauce is a little bit not complete, I would say. I could have wanted the humba to taste a little, not bitter, of course, it's a little bit salty, a little bit sour, of course, with the vinegar, and a kick of saltiness inside your mouth, which gives you the burst of flavor, because when you put sour flavor and salty flavor and then you mix it up with meat, nothing could go wrong. But I'm missing that salty kick of soy sauce. So I'm gonna give this a 5. So no clap for 5. That's in between 1 to 10. Alright, so those are my ratings for this food that came from Highblood Station. They're actually owned by the Kisagan family since 1990s, specific to 1992. So they started a small carinderia-ish hole in the wall. The owner told me that they serve first basically humba, ginabot, and the rest of the common Filipino and Cebuano food. So check out their place. It's cheap, it's amazing, the food is tasty, and you can have variety of choices in Highblood Station. Alright, so we're done tasting the food. We're gonna talk about the price. So one order, this small for the ginabot, it's a bit pricey. If you were to ask me, it's 90 pesos, right? It's $1.20, right? It's a bit pricey since other ginabot would be sold only for 15 pesos, 15 to 20 pesos, less than $1, right? And for their pork chop, it's 50 pesos, $1. And of course, for their humba, it was sold for 45 pesos, so less than $1 still, 90 cents or 85. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and food review from Highblood Station. The local cuisine in Cebu is exquisitely good, and I want to provide my honest, unbiased reviews to everyone. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and hit the notification bell. And this has been your good boy, J-Man Good Boy. And as always, keep it simple. Me, I'm done! Malaon na! Gutom na! Manakog vlog, me!